Hello, for this you do need some sort of medium-ish weight, something that you can feel the load. This is a breakdown of how you can use your inherent asymmetry to maximize your experience with the Bulgarian split squat. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna start standing, and I want you just to turn around in a circle. What way did you turn? If you're not sure, do it again. The way that you naturally turned is generally the way that your body is naturally orientated. There is nothing wrong with this. You don't need to fix it. It does mean that when you are looking at things from a balance perspective, it can be helpful to balance using different strategies, particularly for something like a Bulgarian split squat, so that you don't fall over. So for instance, my natural strategy is to turn to the left. That's the way I like to go. So when I have my left foot forward, my body is going to naturally orient that direction. So what do you think I need to do? I probably need to counterbalance it with the other arm. So I'm going to have the weight in my left hand. I'm going to take my right foot back so that I'm in a Bulgarian split squat situation. And then I'm going to reach my right arm to the right. I'm going to do some things with my left foot. I'm going to pull my inside ankle bone up and the pinky side of my foot up. Boom. And then I'm going to come down. Right arm out to the side. All right. When I switch sides, rather than take my left arm out to the side, I'm going to actually reach my left arm forward. The weight is going to pull me a little bit to the right, and my left arm forward is just going to help keep me over to the right. So left arm goes forward, I can go straight down. Same situation with the feet. Inside ankle bone, pinky toe edge of the foot, both sides lift. So if you struggle with balance, give that a try, see how it goes. Remember, the first thing is to check and see what way you naturally like to spin. As always, if you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments. And if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.